What's the deal, gang? Fucker, we just missed a really good entry. Fucking mad at myself. I'm over there in the other room trying to get the kids ice cream and everything. Just had a really good entry here. This 5 was friggin' lovely. With momentum, volume, maybe 30, 40 pips. I think we're gonna wait here. Maybe we can get something on the 15. Or we'll see. This was a nice push, so if you can tell on the 30, once we started clearing these wicks, if you noticed, we kind of pulled right back to this area, and then it dropped. Very interesting, very interesting. A lot of volume here. Can we pull back a little? The 1 hour has no top wick. The previous has no bottom wick. Let's draw up some levels here. Lock in though, lock in. We might have positions here soon. Did we tap this area? We did. Yeah, it's gonna come down here. Whether now or on the next candle, this thing should come down. It's gonna get interesting here. There's volume. Oh, hold on a second, chat. You need paper? Okay, do me a favor. Close the door from the other room. Okay, the 5 is closed here, chat. There's a level across here. I want to see if we can I guess we can't. Wanted to see if we can tap this area. A lot of bearish volume. Let's see if we can still come up high to a resistance area and not just continue driving. So we can be confident in the drive. I don't know about that top wick, huh? 15 though. 15 looking lovely, like it needs to. It's either gonna leave a bottom wick to fill or no wick at all. Which means, can we get in somewhere here on the rebreak at a high? Right? So let's say this rebreaks the high. That'll tap 27.027, maybe another 15 pips up, right? Doesn't really necessarily need to come back up. Continue driving here, we just miss it. Yeah, that's a bearish momentum. 3 minutes here for the 15. Okay. Okay. Alright, gang, let's get in a sell right here. Just got in a sell, 3703.35. Okay. Alright. I didn't close anything. I saw about 10 pips. Alright. I haven't closed anything. I'm looking to see if we can now come down lower. Alright, closing half at 11 here. I'm going to move stops to break even. Alright, let's see if we can flip or if we hit BE and then we'll wait on this 15 closure. Can we flip? Alright, let's close full here and wait on this 15 closure. 2 minutes. I just closed full because I think now that it's playing, we're going to see a steeper top wick on the 15. I don't feel good. I feel nauseous. I just freaking had some barbecue. I feel like we need to pull back to close out the 15 and then open the next one with a top wick. So I just closed full on that logic. Look at that. Came back up. So good closure. We probably the runner would have hit BE here. But like that. W. We got 2 minutes here for the 15. Look at this bottom wick it's making right now. It's kind of interesting because the hourly doesn't have a top wick, but the 4 hours, heavy bearish 2 hour, right? You figure it's going to retest whatever low it's made here so far. Can we take advantage of it on the 15? Let's update the record. Win number 308. Okay, closure coming up here. '05, '07 areas. Where can we come down from? 20 seconds here. 5 closing bullish, but we should be able to retest these lows that we've made right now. That is a heavy push down, right? When we see such volume, we'll typically retest that low at some point. Can we see a top wick here? And let's take a sell right here. Just took a sell, 2705.18. All right, gonna close half here at 12. I'm gonna move stops to break even. All right, this is now a risk-free trade. Let's see if we can fill some of this wick. Partially. Maybe. Let's see what happens. Alright, you know what? Let's close full right here at 17 pips. Or more. No, that's way more. What's the total on that? Here's the thing. We have a bullish closure here at support. We can come down, make a bottom wick, and reflip bullish. But once we close bearish, right, maybe on the 30, we'll have... That's the great thing about the way we trade. We don't need like massive runners because it's going to happen over and over again. And if it doesn't happen here on the 15 like we just had, right, it'll set up again on the 30. It'll set up again on the 1. It'll set up again on the 4. Right? It'll, like, this candle will start closing on higher time frames and higher time frames, and we'll get it again. And we'll get it again. And we'll just keep getting it. 29 pips. Okay. See, and it reflip bullish just because we kind of closed bullish on the previous candle. But we'll see. We'll see what happens, and then we'll get another closure. We'll get a 30. We'll get a 1. Right? Yeah, that's the beauty of this. The market will always continue to set up again and again and again. Over and over. Just need volume, right? We really look for an indication of volume. You want to be in the high volume candle. Wow, great closure again. Look at that. That runner would have hit me. Oh, wait, would it? Not yet, right? No, not yet. Did a really good entry here. Really good entry. Maybe would have survived. Would have survived. Would have survived. See, look at this 30 setting up for us again. How's everybody doing? Hey, if you're on the Zoom side, hop onto the. I mean, if you're on the YouTube side, hop into the Zoom side, and I'm just gonna do a little raffle for everybody in the Zoom side for a 25K funded with top one. There's like 25 people in here, probably like maybe 30, 40 of us total. We'll give away one account. Oh, now it's driving. There it goes. There it goes. We would have survived. All right, let's get rid of this. Or would we have? This is gonna flip, huh? Oh, there we go. People coming through to the Zoom side. There we go. Yeah, if you're on the YouTube side, come through to the Zoom side. Even if you don't want to stay here, we'll just do a raffle, and then you'll dip. Let's do that at the 4-hour closure. Let's get everybody a chance to really hop in here. Got my gold clippers ready. Yeah, I gotta get rid of this beard this week. You guys just reminded me. I gotta make this appointment right now, actually. The beard gotta go. I can't be at Thanksgiving dinner with this beard. It's a beard embarrassment. Nah, this shit's... It keeps growing back every 3 months like this. Hey, yo. You gotta find that unicorn urine and really soak it in there. Really soak it in there. Damn. I don't know. So that's how Grandma got the beard. How about you just do what everybody does? Just wait a while. Shit's gonna come in. Word. Some people, that shit came and went already. And that's it. Eddie's still waiting. Hold on, what was I supposed to do? Oh, set an appointment. That's wild. Did you have hair? When did you lose your hair? Or did... Started balding. 24, so you got rid of it, or did you do the whole like old man thing? Did you wait for it to like shape around like the Colosseum around your forehead or around the back of your head? Ah. Yo, why can't I log into this shit? 3 chicken thighs, 8 ounces of grass-fed ground beef mixed with some cabbage and who the fuck cooked, bro? Who cooked? I'm starving Marvin. That's delicious. Damn, the 15 filled that range twice. $30's closing here, right? But we've kind of had this funky range now play out. We're gonna need a top wick, but probably not to break this previous 30. Let's see. All right. No shave November, just clean it up? Nah, I'm gonna get rid of it. It's too much. I can't eat in public. Every time I eat in public, there's like I get food all over my beard. It's tough. It's tough. Like, I don't know. Eating with a beard, like, I don't know. This is just, I don't know. It's pretty girthy. Right? There's a lot of volume in it. So, got a girthy beard. Yeah, women love the girth, but I don't know. It doesn't look. They don't love it when you're eating next to them because then there's mayo and pickles and onion all over your beard. Anything you eat, unless it's like solid, it's all over. It's breaking lows. Yeah, fuck these lows. It's gonna run. I wanted a top wick here. Maybe this area right here from where we come down from. But remember, there's volume, so if it can pull back a bit here, we won't hold it against it. Just want to see if we can pull back on a smaller time frame here. Luck in here, we might have positions. Is that it on the one? Yeah, right into these wicks over here. Interesting how it's playing with the volume here. What did this one bounce off of? To drop 40 pips here. It's a 5 closing, huh? That push. Oh man. I want to be a little more careful here. This 5 made this bottom wick. We did the music. All right, shush. Let me figure it out. Hold on, I want to see if we can get entries here. This is a lovely area. It'll just happen quick. There. It's 4 hours closing. Yeah, it's a really good area. I was just a little, I guess, worried about the bottom wick already being made here. It's only 7 pips. Why wouldn't it drive through though, right? Let's wait on this 15. Let's see how this 15 closes here in 7 minutes. Let's see, you guys hear an echo right now? Is there an echo? Damn it. Yep, still haven't fixed it. Still have not fixed it. It's something changed. Yeah, but there's no music. Every time I try to put on music, it's... Yeah, that's what I just did. And it's like you're getting my mic plus you're getting the YouTube, and it's, I don't know, I gotta figure it out. I didn't do anything. I didn't switch anything. It did it on its own, like maybe excuse me, maybe during like an OBS upgrade or something. I think if we were to take this top wick, it should have been as soon as it tapped here. It already kind of played a little bit here. Had a chance, it flipped, didn't drive, came back up, so. Maybe it re-breaks the high. It's gonna be a lovely one hour candle. It's gonna be a lovely 4-hour candle as well. I wonder if the next 15 pulls back up for the 4 hour, or do we just break the lows right now? When I got beat, did I withdraw? You mean when I made back everything that I've lost initially? Yeah, but I didn't withdraw at one time. It wasn't like, oh shit, I made the 150 grand back that I... No, it was like, once I had like 70 grand in there, I made it, we withdrew 25. Right. Over time, it was just, wasn't humongous withdrawals. I've had a bunch of, you know, 50 to $80,000 withdrawals. Right. I mean, as you're making money, you really don't want to destroy your account, right? You don't want to sit there, go back, you know, from 150 to 50 or whatever it is, right? But I did tighten up for a while, right? Just to make sure it's growing. Hmm. Curious to see, let's say this 15 closes in 30 seconds. Let's say this 5 continues straight up. You're gonna need bottom wicks. Might miss the entry here. Yeah, it might, because the reason I say that because it might not get to where we need it to before flipping, like here. I don't think this 15 is gonna flip here. It might. Get this down. 12 minutes here for the 4 hour. I just think if we miss it here, like it's gonna have to give us an opportunity on the 1 hour and 10 minutes. Like 10 minutes, not a big deal. Right? I kind of wish this would come up a bit more. The steeper the wick, the more range to fill here. We also don't want this flip to happen here now on the 15, right? Tap these wicks, come right back down. Seen that happen before, just like right now. See this area? We'll see. We'll see. I mean, the first half of this 15, it's created this top wick. So maybe the second half it drives. so close to this 4-hour closure. Yeah, I think if we're gonna look for positions here before the 4-hour closes, we're gonna have to see a bigger pullback. Like if we re-break the 15 highs, right, we could possibly look for a sell. It would have to be off like here. Maybe withdraw what you need to pay bills, keep a little extra for any day, and then use the rest to keep growing the account. But like, then why are you trading the money that you need for bills? You know what I mean? This shouldn't be funds. That's money to pay rent. You can't risk rent money here and then be like, if I don't make it, then I don't have rent. Can't be trading rent money. You can, let's say you've made like 100 grand, you want to withdraw 50, right? And just live knowing that you don't need to worry for the next year about where rent's coming from. You can concentrate solely on getting this down. You can do that, but like month to month to depend on this to make rent is like extra pressure you don't need. Yo, look at this 15. Just what are you doing? I think this is going to drive down before the 4-hour close. We're going to get a smaller wick. Back up. 6 minutes here. 7 minutes. Wow. 1, 2, 3. A few times here. Yeah. And like now we've created this top wick. Does the next 30-minute which is the next 4-hour, gonna come straight down because this top wick's been created? That's why I want to keep, you know, pull this up. I want this to keep pulling up and break these highs, so we can know that this isn't the top wick, hasn't been created, and it's gonna pull back even steeper. Longer it holds here, the likelier it is to drop in the next 5-minute candle. Pull up, pull up. Because we hold below here. All right, good, good. We hold below here. Then next 5, the next 15, the next 30 is the next 4-hour opening. Could just head straight down if it holds resistance. So let's come back up and find the resistance above here. I'll be tight if this next 5 just drops straight down. 30 might flip. That don't mean shit. We still got the 1 and the 4 knocking right on our door. It's jingle time. Getting in the mood for the holidays. Damn, Drake got a college named after him. That's crazy. Yeah, it's called Drake University. Maybe it's not named after him, but that's still cool. I feel like he's got everything. He's got a piece in everything. Got some champagne, he got some clothing, some entertainment, some fucking steakhouses. Like, bro, just sing. Fuck. Three minutes for this 4 hour. Remember, this trade, if we get a chance to get in here, is mostly going to be off the 4 hour. There's a chance, might see some drawdown for the next half hour, or off the beginning of the candle. There's also a chance this comes down right away and we get no entry. So, lock in, be patient, and we will have an idea once we open up on the next candle. Fill the range. Those are our pineapple areas or entry areas. That's where I look to get in. If we can keep pushing up, no, it could happen. Yeah, anything could happen. But usually when I see a closure like this, you'll retest the lows to some extent. Maybe not the whole lows, but partial. This wick partially, yeah, typically will. All right, 5 seconds here. Look in. Okay, that's fine. This little area you can bounce up off of, that's fine. Maybe see another 5 bullish closure. Be patient. Be patient. Chance to drive down now? Yes. Is it confidence building to enter here? For me, not really. It's already like 20 pips right there, right? Yeah, I would like for this to come up here and create a top wick on this 4 hour. We don't want it to fill this 4 hour wick. But if it does so, that doesn't mean we can't have positions, right? We will look for indication of volume. Which means I don't mind if this current candle closes bearish on a 15 or a 30. We could play the rest of the range down and even further. But we need to either come up, create a top wick, or close bearish on this candle. Kind of have a bottom wick though now, right? So if we start coming up, it's going to be a steeper entry. It's not going to be anything here at 03 area. What are you gonna do here? What are you gonna do here? Pull him back up, huh? Yeah, I think if we don't re-break the lows here from now on this current 4-hour candle, we'll look for positions over here. It's at 05 areas. We'll look for a sell at 05. But if it rejects before then and comes back down, that might be our session. Okay, who's in the YouTube? I mean, who's in the Zooms? Let's do a little giveaway. Let's run this 25K account giveaway on the Zooms here. You guys are all here. I see all the names in the Zoom meeting. All right, so what we're gonna do is, how do I take the list of participants here? Oh, can't do it. Wait, hold on. We'll do it in a sec. I want to see if we're able to get something here. Pushing heavily. Got a bottom wick here, huh? Oh, 669. This one's 7 flat. Really? Now? Yeah, that might be it. The 5 flipped. Fuck. I got really close here. Can't take anything now. This is too late. You're supposed to be 30 pips above here. Even more. Can't mitigate risk here because now if it drives up and rebreaks highs, it's not obligated to come back to the flip. The 4 hours flip. It even got a bottom wick, but it's now tried. It's flipped. And it either breaks the lows, you miss it, or if it doesn't break the lows, comes back up. It's going to drive up, and you're not going to have a chance to manage risk here with an entry here right now. If it rebreaks the highs, it won't come back down here. It'll fill the next range up. So 5 back in range. It's a bullish 15 closure, right? You create a bottom wick, you can come up. Yo, can everybody throw their name in the chat? Maybe I can do that. Yeah, everybody throw your name in the Zoom chat. All right, I guess once it stops rolling, I figure everyone is done. Once it stops for like 10 seconds, I'll take that as everyone is done. Everybody got their names in the Zoom chat. Everybody got their names in the Zoom chat. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Sold. All right, so let's take the list of everybody's names here. So I told ChatGPT that I'm running a giveaway for my stream. Take this list of names, filter out so everyone gets one entry, and randomly select a winner. We all agree with that? Sorry, some extra messages got in there, but the most important ones, it's going to filter out a single one. So let's see. My name's Jeff. So let's send it to them. The winner of the giveaway is Yenya. All right, Yeniel. Yeniel. Yeniel Dabs. I guess that's you. Yo, right here on Zoom, tell me what your IG is, and then DM me your full name and email from that IG account. Okay? No, I just need a full name and and email address. Nothing else. Wait, where is he? Is he in here? Daniel Dubs. All right, so from that IG, what's the pronouns? From that IG, send me your full name to DM me on Instagram, your full name and your email address so we can send you the login and your account info and all that. I'll give more away. I think we'll give enough away here that everybody's gonna is gonna get one. I'll try to give away a couple next Sunday here. I gotta talk to top one. Tell him to raise the budget. But yeah, on stream it's like 500-600 people. Over here it's like, 30 people. The chances of getting one are way better. But if you got beef with that, hey, talk to fucking ChatGPT. Need to accept the DM? Hold on. Let me see. Gotta have my people talk to your people. I don't see any requests. Oh, right here. I see. Yeah. So I accepted it. Go ahead. Send me $100 million. Yeah, and your email. That's it. Perfect. I got it. W. So you'll probably get it tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I'll try to get it by tomorrow. Gotcha, gotcha. Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir. If enough people start signing up during the week and start entering the giveaway, I think I'll be able to raise the amount and raise the number of giveaways we do. 4 hours coming down here now. Yeah, I mean, we didn't quite get there. I wasn't looking at this, so there's really nothing here. I'm looking off the 30, off the higher time frames. There's a level there off the hourly, right? That was respected. Maybe a 30 level here, but Didn't quite get there. Just I feel like any sell here is already too late, right? That's settling for the position. It's been quiet here. Am I the only one listening to the music? Am I the only one on the YouTube side? Oh, options on the YouTube side. Not gonna lie, gang, the way it's printing here, we're most likely gonna need to see the whole hourly candle through. There's a chance we just continue up here. This is gonna flip bullish, right? And once it flips bullish, it's gonna start filling the wick, and then you're really gonna need to see the hourly through, because that's gonna be the re-break of the hourly highs. And I don't know if that's the 4-hour top wick. I don't think so. It's so early in the 4-hour, but right, like if it is, great, but I don't want to take a position understanding that that's probably not the top wick, and then, you know, end up kicking myself sitting here in a position while telling myself, you fucking knew it wasn't the top wick, why are you in there? Right? But if it drives now, it's all right. We've got friggin' 50 pips in the Asian session, you know. We're all winners. And Neil got 2 dubs and an account. You got, yeah, 3 for 3. You 3 for 3.
Boom
bro.
shakalaka! He's on fire!
Yeah, there we go. He's right. We just spoke about this. This is gonna flip bullish here, and if it starts filling the wick and breaking it, you're re-breaking the 4-hour high. Probably to continue up. Fill the next mini range. Later, wish not. Two minutes on this 30. Just don't see a level here. I don't know why it's closing bullish here all of a sudden. Maybe it'll establish a level. But as I've said before, typically when we close like this, right, even if we close bullish here, it's a really weak bullish candle. The market still likes to fill the range, and when you close bullish, it might just give you a trickle down like that. And then you'll make a decision at this area whether you bounce heavy up or you continue down. Let me in. Got you. So will we not see a bottom wick on the next 30? Let's see. Maybe we get another top wick here. Fuck. Maybe not. Yeah, we have not rebroken the 4-hour low. Came down, tapped it. Let's shoot. How much is there if it rebreaks? That looks ugly here. Holding the shoulder area, right? But it's on a smaller time frame. The hourly and the 4 hours still look lovely. We are trickling exactly like you said. Yeah, that's what I'm a little afraid of because there's a chance we can tap a support and push heavily up. And it doesn't mean fill the range. Although I do believe the rebreak of the 4-hour low, that's why you saw me measuring. It's about 11 pips of an advantage point, right? To the break of the low to a level we can reject, which I was looking for on the hourly. It's a little more, 15 pips here. Just too much rejection here. Like, it could break this low and fly right back up based on these levels. There we go. The low's broken, so you'd expect a quick dump 15 pips. But it's this level across here where price just keeps bouncing. You see how many candles printed side by side here? 20 minutes still left here on the 1 hour. It's a lot of time. I do believe though it's likelier that we come down, retest the lows, than just reject here. But I'm not too confident in it. That's what I believe is the likelier thing to happen. Like we've rejected a bunch of times here. Maybe not enough volume for a heavy push and just a trickle down, right? But I want to be confident in the position. Zoom door. What's up, Kenny? This isn't Asian Open. We should have volume coming in soon. No, I think the high volume time for the session is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Yeah, you can have volume a bit before, a bit later. But historically, it's the 8 and 9 p.m. candles that bring the volume for Asian session. If you think about it, that's kind of what we played. Right, this drop. There we go. It's probably gonna come down now. Why is it trying all of this? It finally closed. This is your first closure below the range here. The 5's made a top wick. Break at a low, you figure it fills the range down. What's it waiting for? It's gonna look normal. Once the hourly closes, it's gonna look like it made complete sense the whole time. I think we should see a bearish candle here to the bottom of the range. Would have seen a bullish flip already. Hasn't done so yet. Expect a drop in this candle. Or not this 15, the next 15. 10 seconds. Might close with no bottom wick here. Shit. It's kind of lousy. Quick drop. Yeah, 10 pips should be no problem. There you go. Pretty quick. And now it might decide here. Do I reject or I continue? Lovely. Alright, gang, we're gonna take a sell right here at 26.9714. You know what? Close it out here. Close it out here. I'm gonna close it out. I'm gonna wait for this 1 hour to close. I closed out the sell. I just realized we want to be driving, and the next resistance to drive here is a bit higher than we got an entry. So I think if we close, we're gonna. So what I want to see here, what I'm thinking. I closed it at break even while it was running up there. I want to see this break down here and leave this wick down here. Then when it pulls up, once it's looking like this and it pulls back up to this area, that's where I'll get in. So if it doesn't even get to this area, right, but it starts printing like this, we'll get in right here and then give it a chance to fill this. And if we're wrong, that's when it'll have to come down, make a bottom wick and drive up. Right here was as we were tapping this area, I wasn't sure if we break down past it, but now that we broke down past it, I want to see it break down into this range, pull back up, get an entry here, and then see if I can fill that wick. Right, if the support looked like this, then yeah, then our entry was pretty good. But the port looks like this, so look, now that it's breaking this low, once it pulls back up here to these previous wicks, this is when I'll take an entry. Perfect. See, now that we broke into this range, it's going to come up into that previous range. And that's where I'll take a sell. It's only a 5 closure. Sorry, gang. I think I was a bit early on my entry there. Just looking at this area, but I think the real area to look at was here to break it down over here. But now it looks good, right? Hindsight is 2020. I just, looking at it overall, it just didn't make sense to me. So we don't need a closure. We just need it to pull back up. That might have been enough. Yeah, I want these entries around 9.6 areas. But that might be also the hourly closure, right? If you look at the hourly, we can pull back. 3 minutes here for this 1 hour to close. Bit weary of this level. I see us drive straight up from here, but this was a push up. We are coming down, so we might see a pullback. I'm not expecting to drive straight up again. Right over here we were coming up, over here we're coming down. Around 97.3, if we could see that. Respect it. Yeah, I'm looking for a top wick to this area. We don't get it. It starts filling the wick now. We'll call it a session with 50 pips or 45 pips, whatever it is. I think we should come down, but I also want to come down from like a strong rejection area. This runs across the board as a strong rejection area. Recent and from before. Yeah, gang. Let's call it. Let's call it. Oh, let's call it. Hold on. Add a break even. Break even number 102. Didn't really get that top wick. What was that? Yeah, I closed it and it dropped immediately, but I just got paranoid of that level we were at. I was like, no, let's let it drive through and then the pullback instead of just hoping it drives through there. But it did. It drove through. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, it happened in like a split second. $45 pips for a Sunday session, not bad. It's fucking incredible. Yeah, I'm not trading no 20 lots on news this year, 5 lots only. The rest news, yeah, I'm still trading news, but I'm just 5 lots. Yeah, I'm still trading it. Yeah, it's been working all year. I'm just gonna cut back on the risk on it. If we're really just killing price action, absolutely destroying everything else, I'm gonna lower the risk on the news. But oh damn, where are you? Where'd you move to? Oh wow, damn. All right, well go. Hold on, you by yourself or? Oh, all right. So you got 3 wheels. You're waiting on a 4th wheel. Nice. I said you got a 3rd wheel. You're waiting on a 4th wheel now. Would you get her some Xanax so she don't yell at you? You gotta be standing behind her when she wakes up, and as soon as she goes up, you go, pop! All right. W. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. W. W. All right, on that note, let's call it. Let's call it. I got, yeah, my daughter's next to me. She's like, Dad, when are we going? When are we going? So, I respect that. Look at that. We tapped that area on the dot. Lovely. And just seen a reaction here. That's a lovely area to mark off. Watch us. Yeah, if we tapped this area before making the bottom wick, we would be in here right now. But we made a bottom wick first. We don't always get what we want. But look, right off that area, we had that. That's what we were waiting for, right? Sorry, I moved that. Meanwhile, it was right here off this 30 level. Oh well, we don't get everything ideal, but we did get W. So great session. Congrats to you, Neil, on the account. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. All right, I'm gonna go get some rest. Smoke my J, get some rest. Where was Kenny all day? Kenny was late today, huh? We didn't get to see that J. All right, yeah. Good night, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good evening. See you guys 8 a.m. Eastern, which is about 10 hours from now. All right. Good night, good night, good night, good night.